So we were supposed to pick a Indian art form, an art and craft form. And I decided to do Gond art because it is nature inspired, and as you must know about it now, that I'm really drawn to things that are nature and animals. So I had seen Gond art before at an exhibition recently here in Delhi, and I was like, okay, like it really drew me to it. So I was like, and I wanted to pick up something that is old, that has a lot of history attached to it, that has some meaning. And then I ended up with Gond art, and coincidentally also picked a event that was a storytelling kind of event, which was supposed to be our mock event for which the brochure was made. Then we went on to do the whole research, did this whole mind map, and I went like way in detail to every aspect. What is the visual language? What are the lines and the colors that I use? How are the colors made? What is the material? What is the meaning of it? So doing all that was really eye-opening. Like I had no idea so much went into it. And then it was time to even break it down further with this design inception sheet where we looked at different things, like even what are the kind of elements, like the graphical elements. Overall figure is rather simple, it's just an outline and then filled in with these intricate details. Finalizing that, looking at the colors that are most commonly used, also recognizing that there is a lot of variation in it, there is a lot of uniqueness that each artist brings in. So it also helped me have a newfound respect for traditional artists and their work, and how, because now everything can be made on a machine. So in those times, I think it was really humbling to see something like this, that there are these artists who have been practicing their craft for years. So doing that was like really amazing. Looking through so many images, making my own illustrations to go with it, like the bird and the tree. Then we went on to digitizing these motifs, which were seen in the paintings, isolating the colors that work well, layouting, finding out. So I wanted to go. So this was for a children's event, like pre-teens. So the whole brochure was designed keeping that in mind, like what kids would like. So I went for a storybook kind of layout. So it was like a book where kids could leaf through it with bright colors and engaging characters. We did some messy ideations for the cover page and the invite. So again, here I tried to look at characters that kids would find eye-catching, like, oh, this is a big snake or an animal with 10 heads and things like that. Then came to my first layout, and that's when I realized how am I going to fit all this text into this tiny space. So that was a reality check. But I really enjoyed putting it into these spaces and figuring out what exactly my brochure would say. I even came up with a short story to go with the brochure, like a so writing is also something I like, and children's literature, children's book is also something one of my interests. So I think this project combined all of that together, where I could use all of that. Like I came up with a small story where there is this monster that is plaguing the village. And then again, I used my background in sciences and research and wildlife. So there's a lot of stories about human wildlife conflict. And I've also worked previously in an NGO that used to focus on human and nature relationships. Like since ages, especially in India, like we are a country who have such deep roots with nature. We used to worship nature, like the sun gods and the mountains and the river. So I sort of took inspiration from that, made a story about this monster who's not really a monster but a forest spirit, and used that. So I did little things to make the process a little less overwhelming than it was. So this was my final brochure that I did. These are the three spreads. I got a mock-up printed and was really interesting to see it, like hold it in my hands. And so yeah, these are the collaterals that we did. Kids could get these t-shirts or a storybook and some name tags that will go along with it. So yeah, thank you for watching my presentation.